Picture a world where education isn't confined to dense textbooks and endless slides. A world where learning leaps off the page and into your living room, transforming complex ideas into immersive, interactive experiences. Introducing Smart Reality, an application that revolutionizes how we learn. Here's the magic. You have a PDF of lectures, notes, or even an entire course curriculum. With a simple voice command, your lifelike avatar appears, ready to transform that static content into a fully immersive simulation in under 1 minute. What would normally take weeks or even months of production is now done instantly by 2 powerful AI agents working together. They generate everything: 3D models, vivid images, interactive text, engaging assessments, dynamic dialogues, and realistic simulators, all tailored to your course material. Let's say you're studying a jet engine. Instead of wrestling with flat diagrams, you can walk around a life-sized 3D model, watch the air compression process in real time, see the turbine spin, and understand ignition from every angle. Need help performing a procedure? Your avatar will guide you step by step, right in the real world through your phone or smart glasses. No human intervention required. And that's just the beginning. Smart Reality doesn't just show you content. It understands your learning pace, tracks your progress, and acts as a personal mentor, identifying your strengths and pinpointing areas for improvement. It's available anytime, anywhere, on any device. Say goodbye to old school lectures and embrace the future. With Smart Reality, learning is no longer a chore. It's an adventure, a dynamic path to mastery, all at the command of your voice.